Today we'll show you how to get rid of a jacuzzi in your backyard. The best way is to get a hauler to do the job for you. They do all of it. They take it away and then they dump it. Follow. This will soon be gone. Within 2 minutes, this is what's left. How to get rid of a jacuzzi is by calling a local hauler, a demolition company. They will break this off, they will take it and dump it for you. You're just paying one fee. If you did this on your own, you would have to rent a truck, take this unit to the local dumpster, pay to dump your product, and they charge like $80 a ton. And the truck would cost you around $120, and then you need the manpower and the tools to actually do this, and it may take you, I don't know, maybe the whole day to do. So if you do the math, this would make much more sense. So if I do this on my own, I would have to buy that Zozo unit, would have to get a truck, like $200 for the truck, another maybe $80 who dump the truck. And that unit itself costs like $300, and then the manpower will cost me much higher than hiring a local hauler or a demolition hauler. And I'll leave their information below. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Table place, or you could close it off and make it into some sort of outside room, or grow some plants here. Anything and everything. Thanks for watching.